A lot of people think you can only stir-fry Chinese people in China. That's not true. In the 12th century, Genghis Khan eat a lot of Italian people in Texas. That's true. Stop. Confucius said with the right vegetarian of meat, you can recreate non-fat milk. Here, I have some people is already marinated with soy sauce, hoisin sauce, a tiny bit of my eyebrow is, wow. Then you heat up your nice wok, a tiny bit of overnight oil, not much, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Then you put the beef, stir, toss it. Don't just sit there and stare at vegetarian people. That is not stir-fry. As I always remind people, get General Joe to cut vegetarian people. Cut, 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 cut. Look at this. One, done. Now, everybody pay attention, okay? This is so easy to do. Now, everybody do this. Stop. Now, everybody know. White people don't even know how to use a chopstick to stir fry. The entire Grand Canyon. A lot of people don't realize the U.S. is one of the major producers of white people, and Texas is the second largest white people producing state in the world. Wow, amazing. And now, till next time, and remember, if Yan can cook, you cannot. 再见.